What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the 10 hidden tips and trick. Yes, first let me turn on the front font light for you. Okay, the number 10 is the bookmark. I mean, you can easily bookmark a lot of stuff while you're reading the book. For example, I'm reading this one, 101 ways how to make money in Africa. You'll be saying how to bookmark. You just press this button and then here we go. Yeah, now it's bookmark. Later, I mean, you wanna come back, you can easily come back, to be honest with you, from the bookmark. And then let me go to content. Yeah, so the bookmark are here. Yeah, you see I can easily bookmark the pages. Yeah, so now the number 9 is you can play games. You heard me right, it can play games. I mean, which is amazing things. I mean, to be honest with you, for example, Temple Run 2, I can play Gangster. Yeah, and number 8 is the enable USB debugging. Go to setting, and then go to the application, and then click enable USB debugging. This is another awesome feature. And number 7 is sorting. If you wanna sort your library, it's very simple. Go to your home library, click this icon, click filter and sort. From here you can sort the books however you want. And number 6 is the multitasking. For example, if you want to switch your app, press this double window. From here you can switch your app or you can clean the app you want. And number 5 is the back key. For example, if you want to go back, this is the back key. Yeah, this is the back key. And number 4 is the highlight. If you want to highlight, again open a book you want to highlight. For example, I want to highlight Africa. As you can see, I can highlight, copy. I just need to press and hold a little bit. This is how you highlight. And number 3 is the A2 mode. Especially for watching video, you use the A2 mode. Just press this icon and you can see the A2 mode is on. And number 2 is the rotation. Sadly, there's no easy rotation, but you can use a rotation control, or if you are opening some kind of magazine, you can, let me show you how to rotate a magazine by opening on PDF file. For example, like Assassin's Creed Origin Guide. As you can see, this is already rotated, but how I can rotate? I just click and then I click the rotation. From here I can select the rotation as I want. For example, I want to go back to the main rotation like this one. Okay, come on. Okay, not like this, like this. Yeah, now I'm back. And number 1 is the GooglePlay. How to enable GooglePlay? Yes, you heard me right. Go to setting, click enable GooglePlay. So these are the top 10 hidden tips and trick of the Onyx Boox Nova. I literally love my Onyx Boox Nova so much. So do not forget to make sure to subscribe, and bye.